it's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and it's a reward for us. It's a reward for a job well done. So we're going to have family fun day. And how do we start that? With our morning routines. Routines never go away. They're not a hassle. They're not a punishment. They're a way to take care of yourself. So I want you to change your mind about your routines. Routines are a way for you to love yourself. That's not a lie. That's a truth. So think about it. When you get up in the morning before your family, that means you get a chunk of time to your private self. That's very important. When you go into the bathroom and you brush your teeth and wash your face and put on moisturizer, that's taking care of your bodily needs. When you put on your clothes, that's getting your mind ready. I know putting clothes on your body doesn't seem like it would prepare your mind, but it does. It's preparing your mind. If you don't put on your clothes and you just go in the kitchen and have some coffee and muddle around, that's what you'll do. It tells your mind, yay, yay, we're having a jammy day, right? We're having PJ day. Don't do that to yourself. Get yourself dressed, get your clothes on, get your shoes on if you wear them. Now do something for yourself that's even more fun. Put on a little makeup, brighten your face up, fix your hair, put on your earrings, right? Wipe out the sink when you're done. Just give it a wipe. Swish the toilet. Now it's sparkling when you walk by. Makes you feel good. If you lived in a castle, if you lived in a palace, we'll say a palace, and you had servants, when you went in the bathroom, the sink would be shining and sparkling, and the toilet would be shining and sparkling. So why not do this in your everyday life? Why not have a shiny, sparkly sink for yourself and your family, right? Let's go on into the kitchen now, and we're going to empty the dishwasher. We're emptying the dishwasher to have a place to put our dishes during the day, or we're emptying the dish rack if you hand wash your dishes, if you're a dishes diva. Empty it so it's open and ready to receive, right? So we're going to do that and put everything away real quick. You know what? If you time yourself, you'll be shocked at how little time it really takes. And I know that people dread it. We all do. We tell ourselves lies. This is going to take forever. But if you end up just pushing through that and doing it, it doesn't take forever. And then it helps you change your mind, which drives everything. Your mind, right? Okay, so we're going to do that. Going to fix a little coffee or tea or blend a smoothie or whatever it is you want to drink. Maybe make a little breakfast if you want to. And then wake the family up. Put them through their routines. By putting them through their routines, that means that you are available. And the reason you're available is because you've taken care of your needs. So now when you go and you wake your children up, you can say, time to get up, honey. We're going to go brush our teeth and wash our face if they're little. If they're big, they know what their routines are, but you can remind them because you are the constant beacon, the lighthouse for them, right? And you're going to be available. You're not going to hover with the teens, but you are going to go check things from time to time. Make sure things are progressing. Give them reminders. And you know what? Recognition. Teenagers love recognition, not fake, sugary, saccharine stuff. True recognition. You know, I really appreciate that the way you did that. Oh, I love the way you folded the towel. I never thought about folding it that way before. I think I'm going to start doing them that way. How did you do it again? You know, that recognition makes them feel good. Little kids like praise, and everyone likes praise, but you got to be careful with teenagers because it comes off as fake, and you don't want that. So recognition is what you want to do, okay? All right, so after we've done the morning routines, everybody's had breakfast, your house looks great. I mean, as great as it can. You've done your routines, great. All right, and then all week long you've been working in your house and you've been completing the process, finishing the process. Either way, it's still the same thing. Then today we're going to have family fun day. We're not going to do anything else. If you're a homemaker, if you're at home all week long, then laundry is probably done. You might have a little load you want to do today. And you're going to go through a little bit of paper today because it's one of the days you promised yourself. But it's not a zone day, and the only weekly plan we have today is to have fun things with the family. So routines are it. All right, now if you're working, you may not have gotten everything done during the week, especially this week because we had 2 days that we didn't do anything. We didn't do anything on Monday because it was New Year's Day, and we didn't do anything on Tuesday because it was our free day. So you had 2 free days this week, and I give you 2 free days where you might not get them in other FlyLady plans. In Kat, the FlyLady's plan, you're going to get a holiday as an extra bonus. Okay, so you only had 3 days to work, so you might not have gotten everything done that you planned to do in those 3 days, but if you didn't get your zone cleaning finished because you only worked 2 of the 3 days, then you're going to have a little bit of that left to do. I don't want you to try to make up for the free day or for the holiday. So just do it as if you only had 3 days of 15 minutes worth of work or 45 minutes, right? If it's decluttering, your decluttering may be done. So you may be just doing deep cleaning, just 3 deep cleaning things in zone 1, which is the entryway. All right, the other thing is groceries. If you don't have the capability of ordering your groceries, having them delivered or going to pick them up from Walmart or wherever, then you're going to have to go buy groceries. That takes a big chunk out of your morning, an hour at least. And then you've got to, travel and put them away. And then the last thing is your weekly home blessing hour. Did you get that done this week? If not, if you have a family, did you delegate? If not, then go ahead, and you don't have a family, then do your weekly home blessing hour. Takes an hour. So at most, you're going to have about 3 hours worth of work to do today. But when you're done, you're done. If you have a family, it won't take you 3 hours. Now, you will have to be the beacon. You will have to be there available and observing. Listen, when you do this, it feels like you're helping, but you're just giving verbal direction. You do something too. You do something too. So you're not just standing there with your arms folded saying, don't forget to do this, and don't forget, do something too. So while you're doing that, you're collecting something off the floor, or you know what I mean? You're not just standing there bossing everybody around. You're pulling your weight as well. All right. So after that's done, let's have a wonderful family fun day. And then don't forget, our after dinner routine involves the whole family. If you're not doing that, shame on you. Shame on you for stealing that from your family. You're teaching your children how to be independent adults with all these little baby steps that we're doing, right? Cleaning the kitchen is one of them, after dinner routine. And then the before bed routine. Don't forget, tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day. So tonight you're going to look and make sure that you lay out the proper clothes that you might need. You know what time you're going to leave. Everybody's got their head ready for, if you're going to go to church tomorrow, everybody knows it, right? And we've talked about what they're going to wear, and it's laid out. So there's nothing in the morning that's like, I don't want to go, because you've already talked about it. They've got it. It's done, right? If you don't go to church, that's fine. Just make sure that you do something to renew your spirit and renew your children's spirits. That's very important. Have a fabulous day. I love you so much, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.